Good afternoon, everyone. We have Gaurav Kapoor sir from IIM Calcutta Innovation Park. He's Chief Business Officer from there, and we have and his involvement with Operation Dronagiri is it's a very important participation, and for increasing the startup challenge also, for increasing the startup involvement with geospatial sector is the main focus of this program. So we would like to have few questions with us. So I would like, initially I would like to ask you, how do you feel that such kind of event is happening, such kind of program is happening, and it is happening under the government umbrella, National Geospatial Policy, and how it will help us to grow further?
I think primarily this is an amazing initiative by the government because opening up this, first of all, opening up the geospatial data space is in itself a very big thing. Deregularization of this is really big, because then a lot of data can be accessed by the private sector, and in particular also now you're talking also about startups which are actually now playing at the forefront. So I think this is extremely important for India, because if India has to go ahead and with the Viksit Bharat 2047 vision of the Prime Minister of our country, I think this is an important step, a very, very important step. And I think within a very short span of time, this entire space will bring to the fore a lot of benefits across the country.
Yes. Since you work with startups, giving them acceleration so that they can build their vision. So how do you feel? How much? What are the problems that they face, like getting the data, or with the any restriction from the government departments, or do you feel that they've been supported well? What's your vision on that?
So I think most startups require data. I mean, that's a very big need, because with data coming in, then growth can come in very fast. However, until now, I think it was a little restricted. Access to data was a little restricted. So opening this up would be really major, especially for startups, working in the defense space, startups working in the GI space, startups who are working, say, in the agricultural space. So I think in these areas, and more so, and these are few that I mentioned, even in the livelihood space, I think this would really positively impact the space, and startups would get a shot in the arm, because getting access to data would mean movement would be much faster. So I think that is one area where this can really help.
Yes. Okay, so that's a truth. We even had few of the interaction with the startups. They were like, they don't get data as easily, and they have to generate data sometimes. So,
which is a costly exercise. And it's a very time-consuming exercise. The moment you have data readily available, then the speed comes in.
Right.
And plus, of course, the cost is one very important aspect that needs to be considered.
Yes. And so, like IIM Calcutta would be have shown interest for the livelihood sector. So, what use case or what problem statements where do you want to focus more on livelihood sector, where the need is required, basically?
So I think if you look at it for any entrepreneur, whether it be urban or rural, I think the biggest challenge today that they face is access to market.
Access to market, yes.
And with the data being opened up now, deregularized, and I think I look at it as a very, very great possibility and a very near possibility. If we can get all these larger, medium and smaller size businesses or enterprises on the map.
Right.
Discovery would be such a great experience for people. Plus, I think all of them would benefit in terms of getting access to the market.
Definitely.
So this is really great. We have a very large population which is in the rural areas. We've almost 70% of the population of India is in the rural areas. Now, if this entire space gets opened up, discovery is much easier. Today, you will not know
Right.
where a particular enterprise, suppose you're looking for say makhana, and now how do you look for it? I mean, you Google it, but then
Right.
a lot of people are not there on Google. But the moment you map everyone, on say the Google Map or on any other Map My India map, and if you have these enterprises all over, you can see them visually. I mean, it's
Right,
so much
definitely.
easy. You can sort the data, you can go industry-wise, sector-wise,
Like-
product-wise. It becomes so easy, geography-wise.
Like as easily as we book food and Uber from the apps.
I think the other aspect that we are looking at, bringing to the fore is connection, going on to the ONDC platform.
Right.
Once that happens, I
Right.
think this will open up a plethora of opportunity for the smaller enterprises across the country. We cannot imagine how big this can become.
Okay.
I mean, just imagine that every small business is on ONDC. I mean, it brings the world so much closer.
Right, definitely.
Especially for, I would like to mention women entrepreneurs, especially small women entrepreneurs. We've got such a large population of SAG women, self-help group women, that they can all be brought onto the map. This is amazing.
Yeah, definitely so. And I would conclude with the remarks that Make in India, the lead that Pradhan Mantri ji has started,
vision,
it will be held.
the true vision of Make in India can actually come to the fore with this data being made available. It's a very small thing, looks very small, but it's actually huge.
Huge, yeah. The small initiative will lead to the absolute and will further lead to the global leadership of India in this sector also. Thank you, sir. Your visions are perfect and very right in directions. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.